Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to add a DKIM record in ConvertKit. Step number 1, click your account name at the top right of the ConvertKit dashboard, followed by Settings, then click on Domains. Click the Verify Your Domain button and enter the domain that you want to verify for sending, and click Next. Add the records that appear to your domain's DNS Records Manager. For more information, see the Configure Your Records section. If you manage DKIM for your domain in ValleyMail, you will need to add the CNAME DKIM key on your domain's configuration page in ValleyMail, Enforce, and any other records. Once you've added the records, click Validate. If your records are set up correctly, you will receive a message that your sending domain is verified. That's it. Thanks for watching.